See students, today we are going to learn about the prefix. Okay, so first, what is mean by prefix? Okay, so see, prefix is a group of letters placed before the root of a word. So root of a word means what? Base word. Okay, so prefix is a group of letters, or we can say that is the syllable. Okay, the prefix is a syllable which we always put, which we always added before the base word, before the base word. Okay, or beginning of a word. Okay, so see, a prefix is a letter or a group of letters added to the beginning of a word to change its meaning and make a new word. Okay, so we always use the prefix before the word. Okay, at the beginning of the word, and when we use the prefix at the beginning of the word, the meaning of the word is always changed. Okay, sometimes it turns into opposite meaning. Okay, so when we add the prefix in the word, at that time the uh, meaning of the word is always changed and it's form new word. Okay, so see here, I'm giving you one example over here. So first one, see the word unhappy. Okay, see the word unhappy here. uh, for in this word, the un is a prefix. Okay, we add that un is a prefix. Okay, so see, by adding the un prefix, we form a new word here. Okay, so see, which is the base word here? See, happy is the base word. Okay, happy is base word, and we added un is as a prefix. Okay, and we form a new word that is unhappy. And what is the meaning of un? Un means not. Okay, so what is the meaning of unhappy? That is not happy, not happy. Okay, so see here, by using the prefix, by adding the prefix at the beginning of the root word, we form a new word. Okay, so again I'm repeating here, by adding the prefix, by adding the prefix to the root word or base word, we form a new word. Okay, and see, the meaning of the base word, root word is changed. Happy. Okay, you know happy means what? Okay, so we added un to the happy, and here we form a new word. And what is the meaning of that word? That is not happy. Okay, so what is the meaning of un? The un means not. Okay, so here we put un to the base word and we form the new word. Okay, so what we put here, that is the prefix. Okay, and we always add this prefix at the beginning of the word. Okay, I hope you understood. Now next one is see. See here, a prefix is a word part that is placed in front of a base word. Okay, in front of means at the beginning, then at the beginning. Okay, so see here, some words are here. Okay, and see in this example. Okay, here are the base word. Okay, and here are the prefix, and here are the new words. Okay, now see, first one, the base word is connect. Base word is connect. Okay, and we added this. Okay, we added this to the connect as a prefix. Okay, so new word form here, that is disconnect. Okay, now see, next one is the re. Okay, so base word is here, that is do, and we added prefix re, and we form a new word, that is redo. Okay, so what is the meaning of re here? Again. So here the meaning of the base word change. Okay, redo means do again. Okay, again do. Now next one is the co. Okay, so here we added co prefix to the base word, that is exist. Okay, and new word form, that is coexists. Okay, now see here, we added the prefix to the base word and we changed the word, and meaning of the word also change. Okay, now see, some more examples are here. A prefix usually changes the meaning of the base word. Okay, already we have seen this. See now, the original word here, that is happy, agree and understand. Okay, and we added some prefix here, that is an, then this and miss. Okay, these all are the prefix. Okay, and we form the new word here. Okay, so see, we added un to the happy and we form that new word, that is unhappy. Okay, so agree, see the second example here, agree. Okay, and we add that is this to the agree as a prefix and we form a new word, that is disagree. Okay, now base word is understand, then we add the miss to the understand and we form a new word here, that is misunderstand. Okay, so see students, here whenever we add a prefix to the word, whenever we add the prefix to the base word, the meaning of the word is also changed. Okay, now see here, there are some prefix and the meaning of that prefix. Okay, so see, so see here, first prefix is D. Okay, and what is the meaning of that D? D means from, down, away, reverse, opposite. Okay, so see some examples where we use the D. Okay, so in this example, that code is the base word and code is the base word, but we put the prefix D to the code and we form a new word, that is decode. Okay, now see next example here, that is this. Okay, see here, here also we here also you can see the this. Okay, so here also we use the this. Okay, now see here, now see here, this means what? Not, opposite, reverse and away. Okay, these are the meaning of the this. Okay, not, opposite, reverse, away. Okay, so see here in this example, we use this as a prefix to the agree. So agree is a base word and in this okay, and here appear is the base word. Okay, so we put this as a prefix and we form a new word. Okay, disagree means not agree, disappear means not appear, not looking. Okay, not saying. Now see next example here, x, prefix x. Okay, sometimes we use the prefix x to the word. Okay, so see here, so see here x. Okay, so what is the meaning of x? X means out of, away from, lacking or former. Okay, so see here some examples. Okay, excel and explosion. Okay, so see here, that is ex we use as a prefix to the base word, that is hail and plosion. Okay, and meaning of the base word is change. Okay, now see ill, and what is the meaning of ill is not. Okay, so next one is I am. Okay, we said that aim. Okay, and the meaning of the aim is also not or without. Okay, now next one is in, and meaning of the in is not or without. Okay, so see next one, that is non. Non meaning is not. Okay, so see here some examples are there where use the ill, then im means impossible, improper, then inaction, invisible. Okay, then non-fiction, nonsense. Okay, so meaning of the ill, then I am, then I and in, then none, non, non is the not. Okay, so see when we use the prefix, when there is a word where the use of that prefix l, am, in or non. Okay, so the meaning of that sentence is always negative. Okay, illegal, then illogical, then impossible, improper, inaction, invisible means not visible. Okay, not legal, not logical, not possible. Okay, not fiction, not sense. Okay, so I hope you understood this. Now next one is the miss. Okay, so see here, miss means what? Miss means bad or wrong. Okay, misunderstanding means not means wrong understanding, we can say. Okay, misunderstanding, wrong understanding. Okay, so see here some examples, that is mislead, misplace. Okay, means wrong place or bad or wrong lead. Okay, now see sometimes we use the pre as a prefix. Okay, so see here, so see here, pre means what? Pre means before. Okay, pre means before. And here there are some examples where use the pre. Okay, we said the prehistory. Okay, prehistory, and the word prefix. The name of our lesson is also prefix. Okay, and what is the prefix? Prefix means a letter. Prefix is a letter or a group of letter or a syllable added to the beginning of a word. Means before only we add the prefix in the word. Okay, so see before the base word we always add the prefix. So see here the meaning of the pre is before, and here there is example, that is prefix and prehistory. Prehistory means before history, or prefix, okay, means affix. Okay, means before the affix. Now see pro. Okay, pro means what? For, forward, or before. Then proactive, prophase, program. Okay, now see some examples, some more examples, that is re. Okay, re means again. Okay, re means back. Okay, so react, reappear. Act is a base word, appear is a base word. Okay, so react, okay, means act again or act back. Reappear means appear again. Okay, now see un. Un, what is the meaning of un? That is against, not, or and opposite. Okay, so see undo means undo means what? Not do. Okay, unequal means not equal. Unusual means not usual. Okay, so these all are the prefix. Not only these, okay, there are so much prefix. Okay, sometimes we use these are in the science language. Okay, sometimes we use in the math, that is bio. See, bio we use in the science, and bi we use in the maths. Okay, then trio. Okay, mono, these are also the prefix. Okay, so here today we have learned about the prefix. Okay, so what is the meaning of prefix? Prefix is a word part that is placed in front of the base word. Okay, now here